Welcome. Today we're drawing a little squirrel face with a bonus of an acorn and a leaf. So if you're feeling squirrely, embrace the chaos and spontaneity of your creativity. So we're starting with like a box. It's almost a square but a little bit taller than it is wide, making it like the bottom of a rectangle. Because I'm going up pretty high to make those ears there. And then I'm making that little small spot in the center of the head. So I'm sketching this out in pencil, and remember you can always pause the video, but it's basically the bottom of a rectangle, and then I'm finding the middle to make the little buck teeth, and then the V for the little nostrils on the squirrel. And I'm going up a little bit for the bridge of the nose from the nostrils. And that's how I'm figuring out where I'm going up for the eyes. And the cool part about this artwork that's really inspired by the squirrel is the way those eyes are going to kind of protrude out on the sides. So I made that little angle for them. And our nose is just that little curve for where it's going to be the little puffy cheeks. Evening them out, and just 3 little whiskers coming from that on the sides. So it's a very simplified version of the squirrel, and as we go in the marker, it's going to have a little bit more character. It's gently curved at the bottom of that rectangular square for the bottom of the head, but pretty straight. There's a lot of geometricness to this. So gentle curves. And then I decided to bounce the line of the pen to give them the little fluffy of the ears and some little fluff on the top of the ears. And so this line that the eyes, the bottom is flat and then the top is angled up a little bit, and you're going to see them when we put in that little curve that makes them be those eyes that are popped right off as you fill them in. So it's like almost like a teardrop shape there, but flat at the bottom, really giving the expression. And then these 2 straight lines at the point of your teardrop where we get to have that little white around his eyes. So you're gently curving and angling that as his eyes are outlined in the white. And as I said, I didn't do the cheeks right from the bottom of the nostrils. I went up a little bit for a little bit of the bridge of the nose and our 2 little cheeks, and then our little whiskers off the sides. And I went in and filled him in a gray, leaving the cheeks and a little part of the bottom white, and then where his nostrils are, I made it a little darker, and then another little shade with the dots. But you can have a black squirrel, a red squirrel. If it's just the one gray, it's also fine. And then I included just really simple how I would make the oak leaf, a straight line down, and then these bees that are all about the same size and a very loose looping around it, because in a journal entry or something I would definitely finish it off with, as you can see, like a frame. And the acorn is like a U, but it's a little bit wider at the top, and then it's almost like it's wearing a little hat. So I filled those in, and definitely you can experiment with color as you create those around your squirrel. If you enjoyed drawing with me, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you next time.